Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install MetaTrader 5 MT5 on your mobile device so you can start trading easily. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. And now tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner. And in the search bar at the top, type MetaTrader 5. Hit search. Now tap on the MetaTrader 5 app by MetaCodes Software Corp. Tap the install button and wait for the application to download. Once installed, tap open to launch the app. And yes, that's it. Now you know how to download and install MetaTrader 5 on your mobile device. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more trading guides. If you have got any queries, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.